Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching simple glitter eye makeup. So I'm taking this shade from MORPHE 35N palette on a fluffy brush and blending it on my crease. Don't put too much pressure, just blend it with light hands. There shouldn't be any harsh line visible. Now I'm taking this shade from Juvia's palette on a flat brush and applying it on my eyelids. I will apply it with my finger to make it look more pigmented and intense. Now I have taken Gorgeous Cosmetics Glit Fix. It's a glitter glue and it will make it easy for my glitter to stick on my eyelids. The glitter I'm using here is by Velvetines. So I'm just applying it with a flat brush. Cover as much area as you want, just don't go above the crease line. It's the easiest way to apply glitter and to have those glitter eyes. Now just blend above area with the same color we used in the starting. Now I'm highlighting my under eye area, my chin, my nose and my forehead with Maybelline Age Rewind Neutralizer. I'm just blending everything with Real Technique makeup sponge. You need to blend everything perfectly. There shouldn't be any harsh lines. Now I have taken Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Powder on a Real Technique Kabuki brush. The brush is actually kind of round and oval shape, but I have opened it. I will definitely be showing it in my next video. Applying MAC powder blush just above where I contoured. I've taken BALMCOSMETICS LOUMANIZER highlighter to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Just see the difference, it makes the eyes look really pop. I'm also applying the same highlighter on my brow bone. I've taken a dome shaped brush and applying this color near my lower lash line. Just make sure to blend it properly. There shouldn't be any harsh lines. Ignore the weird face I'm making here. I have really bushy brows, so I need to comb them. Now I'm using SALEHABEAUTY highlighter on a gorgeous fluffy brush and applying it on my cheekbones. To see how much difference it brings to your face, I just love this highlighter. It looks really nice on brown skin tones and also on fair skin tones. Now I'm just applying little highlighter on my chin area, on my cupid's bow, on my forehead, and some more. Never hurts to put more highlighter. I'm applying Milani Cosmetics Amore Shine Lip Gloss on my lips. I thought of giving this look a twist, so I applied Lime Crime's Red Velvet Lipstick. And bang on, this totally changed the look. As you can see how much difference it brings when you are using a glossy nude lip color and a red lip color. Let me know in comments which one did you like more and how did you like the tutorial. Thank you for watching.